In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into Facebook. Open facebook.com in your browser and switch to your personal Facebook account if needed. This is important because Facebook pages are usually created from your personal account while still remaining separate from your personal profile in public view. Once you are on the Facebook home screen, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll if necessary, then click See More to expand the full list of options. From there, select Pages. This will take you to the Pages area, where you can manage existing pages or create a new one. Inside the Pages section, click the Create Page button, shown with a plus sign. Facebook will then open a setup window to guide you through the process. In that pop-up window, choose Public Page, then click Next to continue. After that, click Get Started. You will now be taken to the page creation form. First, enter your page name. Choose a name that clearly represents your business, brand, organization, or project. This is the name people will see when they visit or search for your page. Next, select your page category. Pick the category that best matches what your business or brand does. Facebook may give you suggestions as you type, so choose the most relevant option from the list. You may also have the option to add a bio. This part is optional, but it can be helpful. Write a short description that explains what your business or page is about in a simple and clear way. As you fill in these details, Facebook will show you a preview of your new page. Take a moment to review everything on the preview carefully. Make sure the page name, category, and bio look correct and appear the way you want visitors to see them. When everything looks good, click Create Page. Facebook will then generate your new business page and complete the basic setup. At that point, your page will be created and ready for you to customize further with profile images, cover photos, contact details, and other business information if you want to continue setting it up. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.